Next we will see the reduction formula for x power n sin ax dx, where n is a positive integer. So this is also similar to the previous problems. இது வந்து முன்னாடி ப்ராப்ளம் மாதிரி தான் இதுவும். So u is equal to x power n, because it is an algebraic function, it has preference over the trigonometric function based on Eilert formula. So du is equal to nx power n minus 1 to dx, v is equal to minus cos ax by a because dv is equal to sin ax dx. So when dv is integrated, v is equal to minus cos ax by a. In is equal to then uv minus integral v du. So therefore x power n into minus cos ax by a minus integral of minus cos ax by a into nx power n minus 1 dx. Therefore that is equal to x power n cos ax by a plus n by a integral of x power n minus 1 cos ax dx. So minus x power n cos ax by a plus n by a into x power n minus 1 sin ax by a minus 1 by a integral of sin ax by a into n minus 1 into x power n minus 2 dx. So that is equal to minus x power n cos ax by a plus n by a square x power n minus 1 into sin ax minus n into n minus 1 by a square into integral of x power n minus 2 sin ax dx. So this n into n minus 1, it is coming because when we integrate the x power n minus n minus 1 is there already. When x power n minus 2 is integrated, we get that n. So because of that, we have two terms, n into n minus 1. So finally we have minus x power n cos ax by a plus n by a square x power n minus 1 sin ax minus n into n minus 1 by a square into in minus 2. The reduction formula is, therefore in is equal to x power n cos ax by a plus n by a square into x power n minus 1 into sin ax minus n into n minus 1 by a square into in minus 2. So this is one formula. The second thing is, when only sin power nx dx is present, what is the reduction formula? So only sin power nx into dx means the sin power nx is split out into two terms, sin power n minus 1 into x into sin x. So u is equal to sin n minus 1 x is given preference over sin x. So du and dv are given correspondingly, and then the integration is done. In the integration, in one step, we see that there is v is equal to, since v is equal to minus cos x, if we leave out one cos x, there are another cos x comes because of the integration. So if we leave out that cos x, then we will have a different result, not the desired result. So cos square x should be there within the integral. So when cos square x is there within the integral, we see instead of cos square x, we put 1 minus sin square x, and then we go on further process in the integration, and finally we arrive at a result like in is equal to sin power n minus 1 into x cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2.